Welcome to 03 Communications Technical Training Series, where we will show you how you can make changes to your phone system. As you can see here, we are currently on the Phone Systems login page. If you don't have access to this or you don't have an login account, please contact us here at 03 Communications. Once you have logged into the phone system with your login details, you will be able to see the home page. All phone system programming is done under the Programming section, and then System Data. Once you have clicked on System Data, you will be able to see all the different memory blocks listed on the side.
In today's presentation, we'll explore the process of updating memory block 1001, dedicated to your time and date setup, within the NEC Phone System. To begin, navigate to memory block 1001. Once there, you'll access the time and date setup page, where adjustments can be made as necessary. For instance, if the phone system's time is off by a minute, simply adjust the minutes accordingly. After making the correction, remember to click on Apply, located in the top right corner. Upon applying the changes, the page will refresh, confirming that the time and date are now updated. This concludes the tutorial on updating the time and date within the NEC Phone System. Lastly, before I forget, it's crucial to remember to click the Home button located in the top right corner, and then proceed to log out each time you access the phone system. This procedural step ensures optimal system utilization and enhances security measures, as well as commits all the changes that were made.